Hi everybody, I'm working on this movie. It is in my personal movie. I want to create uh, the robotics and space movie, so I shot it by myself with some uh, actors who works for free, and I will add some video 3D effect to the whole movie. So I would like to make make some videos, making videos for this whole process. Uh, Here is the finished one. I started this since as about long times ago, maybe 5 to 6 years. We start with this one. It is symbol 3D box what I want to make in this movie, and this is the actor. So now I fill this gap with this 3D effect. Uh, so I want to make this full movie with bigger software, so I can afford to buy the professional software for. So I will make this whole movie with the free software. So this software is free for everyone. You can do it like me. You see, this is the DaVinci, the first one I use for editing. This is the DaVinci Resolve. So it is a free version, not a studio one. So you can download it freely. I use this software to edit my basic editing, and I will use it as a color gradient, and I will continue use it as a sound effect also. I add sound effect by this. So this is the sound effect here. Why it is not playing? Maybe I mute and we want to here. So I will do the sound effect later. As this is the video, and I finish. I work this movie on my spare time. So it is COVID time, so I get some spare times to finish some effects for my movies. Okay, now let's go. I will show you the complete process. So start from this one. Uh, so I already cut it in there. And so this is the same robot here. He is wearing the taking robotic armors. So I will make this cut as a robotic armor suit. So first I will send it to the to Blender, and make it I will make the camera tracking, and so I can add the 3D suit. So there is no no tracking point here. This tracking point in the data is not useful very well. As- so in real work, you may face problem like this. So by this video you can see how I can resolve the difficult problem step by step. This is the not a perfect tutorial. This is like a work in progress video, uh, because there are so many tutorials in YouTube. You can learn it, but I think that this work in progress movie is not many. I think so. You can see the difficulty and challenges in this real working making videos. I think so. So first, you need to export this to work in Blender. First, this movie was shot in AVI format, but it is very long time ago. AVI format is the one to shoot the movie. But nowadays, AVI is not popular, so it is not possible to open in this DaVinci Resolve. So I use Premiere Pro program and edited in this Premiere and exported with a mixer file. The original was shot in 720 480 DVD format, but I scale up to 2K DCP format and edited. This is only the edited movie. So this is only the edited movie. Uh, so I will export this, but I don't want to waste my hard disk space, so I will use directly this MXF file. The good thing about Blender is it accepts very widely ranged movie formats. I test with MXF format and it works well, so I decided not to explore other formats. I will directly use this file. So I need to know that where I start and where it ends, because this is the launch shot for the chapter 4 3 chapter 3 chapter 4. This is this one. This is the whole sense of the chapter 4. So I need to know the exit start point and end point. You can see the start point and end point here. It is the time code, but I need the frame numbers because animation made in frame. So right click this and source frame. So this one is 548 start 548 frame and 6 and sorry 654 548 and 654. Now I will open this in Blender for camera tracking. This is Blender 2.3a. So first I delete this pause and start with movie editor, movie clip editor. So I will upload view clip, open clip. This is the try X I use for my movies. This is editing source. Okay, shooting fine 2K footage chapter. This is one. Chapter 4 and 5. Open clip. Now this clip is so I can see the footage setting. Start frame. This footage is to 2040 1080 and 9706 frame. So I must start from 548. So I don't want to start from 548. It is difficult sometimes, so I will offset it. So now I will just minus 548. No, so I will 548 plus 548. Yes, this is so let's see. I am correct. 547. So 547 is another clip. So 548 is the correct frame. Then it will end at the frame 654. So there is no frame 654 here. So I will set I will create manually 107. So 107. This will end 107. This is the footage for my effect and visit effect. So I play this once, so it is loaded in a memory. Now I get my footage and correct duration, and it is 24. I will change the project setting. So this must be 2048 1080. This is 24 frames per second. So I will make the preset. You can make new preset here. I already made one. So it is changed to 2048 and 1080 100%. Okay, so I can save this as a you must save this file clearly named. So this is the method of C chapter 04 05. So I will name with number. No matter you can whatever you can name, but the first number is 01 is the number you must do. Camera mesh. Okay, I will create some camera for this shot. Now I can close this DaVinci Resolve. Okay, I will save it and I will make 3D camera tracking for this footage. Then I will add my robotic armor, 3D robotic armor to this model and will animate. It will take some time. It will not done in 1 hour. So let's begin the journey.